Are your apps not working because of the BASS Opus codec DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we begin the manual steps for BASS Opus codec, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This DLL file is an extension for the BASS audio library that enables the decoding and playback of Opus audio streams, supporting this modern, low-latency codec for internet radio and gaming applications. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because the BASS Opus codec DLL is required by BASS sound system to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of BASS sound system ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the BASS Opus codec. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Keep in mind that the BASS Opus codec DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including the BASS Opus codec management references. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for future the BASS Opus codec or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.